Okay, still in the same section, we'll continue with the questions. So each of your fingernails grows at a rate of 0.05 centimeters per week. Each of your toenails grows at a rate of 0.65 centimeters per year. Now our rates are not in the same quantities, so we need to change them over. And maybe you should make a comparison here, changing this one to centimeters per week. So it's 0.65 centimeters per year currently. Now to change that per week, we need to know that there are 52 weeks in a year. So 0.65 centimeters divided by 52 weeks. So right now you have to keep these two quantities the same here. 52 weeks is the same as 1 year. Now we can break that down, and we will work it out to a growth rate of 0.0125 centimeters per week. The growth rate you're seeing here now, then, instead of thinking about centimeters, if you want it growing at here about half a millimeter per week, and here 0.1 of a millimeter per week. So fingernails grow faster than toenails. Next question's asking questions about the change in population in Newfoundland from 1956 to 2006. And population is a dependent variable, and time is independent, as shown here across the x-axis. If we take a look at the graph, we see that the graph is in a couple of different sections, or how it's moving. Here the slope of the graph is increasing up to about this point here. So right here. 1981 seems to be when the population of Newfoundland reaches its highest point. Stays at that level until 1991, and then we see a decrease in population. So here the populations increase, here it's stable, and here population is decreasing. So what does a positive slope represent? Well, from what we can see here now, the positive slope is representing an increase in population, and a negative slope on this side over here. So we'll say this is section 3 of the graph, section 1. So section 1 of the graph would have positive slope, it's increasing, getting more people. In section 3 of the graph, from 1991 to 2006, population is decreasing. What does a horizontal line represent? Well, in this section here, 2 of the graph, section 2, horizontal line means the population is not increasing or decreasing, it's staying stable. And it looks like that 2006 starts to enter a period of when it's staying stable. But we won't see that until more time has passed. And last question, what does steepness of slope represent? Steepness can be referred to as, I guess, the quickness or the rate of change. If you look up here, the population is decreasing from 1991 to 2006, but the slope from 1996 to 2001 is steeper. We're losing more people in 1996 to 2001. We're losing them at a faster rate than we were from 91 to 96. So the steeper the slope, the quicker the change is happening.